Welcome back to Customer States. These are the worst mechanical nightmares ever. Let's begin. This customer stated that their four-wheel drive would not engage no matter how hard they tried. After a close examination, I think the mechanic could figure out what the problem was.
Alright, customer states got no four-wheel drive. Front wheels turned, back's don't. So we're checking the back wheels. CV's good. Your axle seal's leaking, your diff's leaking, your other axle is leaking, but the boots are fine on both sides. So that shouldn't cause no four-wheel drive condition. You move forward, you look at this front diff seal, it's leaking, not bad. So it shouldn't cause no four-wheel drive condition. Bolted up tight, it's not playing around or anything. It shouldn't cause condition regardless. You go to the center carrier bearing, as you can see here, the bushing's kind of exposed, but it's not bad. It shouldn't cause no four-wheel drive. But we get up to here. As you can see, the bolts are still there, but there's a lack of a drive shaft that connects the front to the back. And it seems like it has violently exploded out of the car, and that's a problem. So, yeah.
This customer stated that his car tires sounded like they were ripping apart while he was driving. Upon further inspection, I think we can see why his tires don't sound very good. I can understand having trouble balancing a wheel if you are new or don't have the right equipment, but I think this may be a little bit of an overkill. This customer does all of his work himself and brought his car in to be told what is wrong with it. Upon further inspection, I can see a couple things he may have messed up on, and it might be best he leave the repairs to the pros.
Customer does all of his own work. Didn't grease anything. Managed to rip every single boot. Not greased.
Oh, he's hit. Look at this, it's dented. It's all the fucking bushing sticking out.
Missing a shock.
Yeah, he tried to make it, changing it, and he broke the bolt. That's fucked up. He thought that was a rack.
I wouldn't doubt it.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to Customer States to see more.